Alright, so I dared to be different, you know. So I decided to buy a Mini Cooper S, because no one I know has one. Definitely not anyone else on this channel. So I bought 2009 Mini Cooper S, the turbocharged model, the second generation of the BMW Minis. And we're going to shoot it today. We got some stuff for it. We have an exhaust ready over here. My wheels aren't in yet, so we'll see. But let's get to it. Alright, so we're about to blow out a snowball because some asshole decided to put one in my exhaust. So we'll see.
So he already blew it out and he doesn't now.
Yeah. He thought this would be crazy cool.
Fucking walks away? What the hell?
You already...
Okay, so I decided to go with the Borla exhaust. There were a few others that were contenders, but really I just like the poppiness that comes from the Borla. It's not going to be anywhere as loud or obnoxious as Dalton's. And Corey's is a little bit louder just because I guess his model is louder for some reason. I don't understand. Anyway, let's see what we got. Some shiny stuff. Ta-da.
Boo, not straight pipe.
In that case, we drop it like Corey does. Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, it's too bad. It's going in. It's gonna get crazy. I don't want to stop this. Alright, so, turns out, well, we already knew this, but we're going to have to cut the old exhaust off. Alright, so it says here, and we already knew that we're going to have to cut the old exhaust off. So we're going to have to do a little bit of measuring, and then we're just going to take a sawzall to it, or circulating, or rotating, whatever the fucking saw is called.
Reciprocating.
That's the word I was looking for. And cut that bitch. Alright, so we're going to have to cut from 4 inches ahead of the front muffler, and then we're just unbolting supports, lubricating, and putting on the new one. Seems to just slip on, basically. Shouldn't be that hard. Fingers crossed. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, let's do it.
Yeah, I don't see. Where do you cut it? Look how fancy they are with the measurements and stuff. On my car, we just hacked it off. It was fine.
It's on.
Get off.
Am I measuring from
the front of
the front of the rear muffler, or like where they
No, it's not on. Corey turned it off.
where they meet?
Measure and mark 4 inches ahead of the front muffler.
Up here, Omen.
The front.
In front of that.
What? Well, why do we?
Mark 4 inches in front of it and cut it.
Right, but like 4 inches in front of it's like right here.
Yeah.
Well, why are we even?
From the muffler, measure 4 inches forward and cut.
This tape measure sucks.
How can a tape measure suck?
It doesn't hold. Neither do I, apparently.
How straight does this have to be, Rowan?
Pretty straight.
You got any safety glasses?
Yeah.
It's about where it's supposed to be, right?
Sure.
Oh, dude, look how good that is.
That is brake lines.
Oh, good idea. This is a fuel one, though. Ow. Good, good. All right. Pull me out, Roman. Hey. That'd be pretty good sport, right? Don't look at me like that, Corey. I'll film him. You guys doing work. Alright, now I'm putting the knife on the chair by the garage door. Just in case.
15 is way too big. 12, 10, I don't know.
Did Roman say 12?
No, Dalton said 12. I guess 15 because, I don't know. Thanks.
Mostly because that
10.
wouldn't
10 mil, obviously. Makes sense. Always. Is this gonna fucking follow me?
Yeah. You know what it is. Yeah.
Take this back. That's probably pretty loose. Yep. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Shimmy, shimmy. Okay. Where are we going?
So there's this hanger here, this one here.
There's nothing on this
So
side.
there's just these two hangers and it comes up.
Yeah.
All right, so we need probably a screwdriver.
Hey!
Just the I can get it.
Okay.
I hate exhaust tippers. Oh wait, that's like a huh. There's like a strap.
Weird. We have that PB blaster. Plus we have a spare head. Set of hands over there. You heard me?
Watch your eyes.
You know, Roman, is that one of your older hoodies? Because it is white, or was white.
Go away.
Just checking.
Oy, oy, oy. Oh yeah.
Corri.
This is for you. Yeah, I've always wanted stock mini parts.
You working?
Huh?
You working?
Yeah.
Roman, are you working?
Hardly. What do you mean? You've done more work than I have. Alright. Hold on, not tightening that yet. Oh, you're rotating. Do the spins. There's a bend in that, so I figured that has to go up. Can I have that
Cut
ratchet?
that perfectly. Mm-hmm. I'm a cameraman now.
Yeah?
I fixed the ice myself.
Wow! That's pretty good.
All right, vlog style here. So we have the exhaust all installed. I'm just gonna fire it up and we'll see what it sounds like.
Yep, it's perfect.
I put myself on.
That's not bad brown.
Yeah, how stiff is that?
It's pretty stiff. Got a little give to it though.
Is that it right there?
Is that it? Is that the move? What are we talking about?